Hello friends, from this video, we have started how to make product filter in PHP by using pure vanilla JavaScript with Bootstrap 5 libraries and MySQL database. Under this video, we will show you a demo of this advanced product filter with feature like pagination, radio button filter, checkbox filter, price range filter and clear search filter. This feature we will build under this tutorial series. If you not know, but product filter search feature is a very popular in e-commerce website, which will allow us to search product from the list of product with different search filter like product price range filter and checkbox search filter. This is the main page of advanced search filter, and here we can see some product on a web page. Out of more than 12,000 product, this product has been fetched from MySQL database and display on a web page using vanilla JavaScript Fetch API. And at the end of page, we can see pagination link. Suppose we want to see second page product, so we have clicked on the second page link. After clicking on the second page link, here we can see that before page load, it has been loaded product skeleton first, and after this it has loaded product. So in product filter, we have also used skeleton load with Bootstrap 5. After at the left side, we can see different product filters, like we can filter product by gender, using a radio button filter. Below it, we can see the price range filter, and here we can see the brand filter, which has been used checkbox filter. And at the top of all filters, we can see a clear filter button. So by click on this button, we can clear all filters or reset the filter, and it will load first page data on a web page without refresh of the web page. Now first we have shown you gender filter, so currently it has display all products for all genders from database, but we want to show only boys product. So here, we have select boys option, and after select option, here we can see the product has been loaded. After loading of product, here we can see that total 1100 boys product has been found, and it has been displayed on web pages, and below it, here we can also see in pagination, total number of pages has been reduced. So by using a gender filter, we can load particular gender product on a web page without refresh of the web page. Next we have shown you price filter, so first we have clear filter. By click on this clear filter button. Now in price filter, here we can see the list of different price under price filter. Suppose we want to list product, which comes under 1000, so we have simply clicked on under 1000 price range, and after click here, we can see that the data has been loaded. And after loading of data, here we can see that more than 7000 product has been fetched from the database, which price is less than 1000, and its display on a web page without refresh of the web page. And below product, here in pagination, there is page number is also changed, and by click on another page number, we can see the other page product, which comes under 1000. Next we have go to brand filter, so first we have clear filter. By click on this clear filter button, and it has load product on a web page. So in brand filter, we can see different brand option here. So suppose we want to load only this brand product, so we have simply select that brand option, and it has start load product of that brand. And after loading of product, here we can see that the total 16 product has been found for that brand. In brand filter, we can load more than one brand product at that same time also, so suppose we want to load this brand product also, so we have simply clicked on this brand option. So after selection of second brand, here we can see that total 19 product has been found from database, so under the brand filter, we can load one brand, or more than one brand product at the same time, without refresh of the web page. Under this product filter, we can use all filters with each other, so for that first we have clear filter. Now we want to get only boys product, which has come under 1000, from 612 League brand. So first we have select 612 League brand, and here 612 League brand product has been loaded. So here total 16 product has been loaded. Now we want to get product under 1000, so here we have selected under 1000 price range. So after select under 1000 price range, here can see that it has loaded 15 product from 612 League brand with price under 1000. Next, we want to get only boys product, which has come under 1000 price, and from 612 League brand. So we have select boys option, and here we can see that product has been loaded. Now here we can see that total 10 products had been filtered, so here it has a display boys product, which comes under 1000 price, from 612 League brand. So this is the complete demo of product filter in PHP by using vanilla JavaScript, Bootstrap 5 libraries and MySQL database. In upcoming video, we will show you step by step how to build product filter step by step from scratch with a PHP script and vanilla JavaScript. And on every publish of video tutorial, we will also share the source code of that part of video tutorial also. So wait for the next part of this vanilla JavaScript and PHP product filter tutorial.